The circadian system is the overarching system of the body and brain that controls our immune function, metabolic functioning, and a number of other key critical components of life. Epigenetics is the study of how our genes are influenced by our environment. 51% of all of our genes are termed regulatory genes. And this is a little example that I'll use. If you would, imagine this as a chromatin of DNA, and my bracelets are the nucleotides, the A, T, C's, and G's of DNA. And over top of 51% of all of these strands of DNA is a sleeve. And that sleeve is protein. And on top of that sleeve is a little marker. It's an epigenetic marker above the gene marker. And this marker has one job: to look out at the environment, the enriched environment, and figure out, is it a good environment for me to pull up the sleeve and enable specific genes to turn on and off. And it does it without changing the sequence of these genes. So it's not gene manipulation. You're just doing what nature intended for the genes to do, which was to respond to the environment. And light, particularly daylight, is so well suited that it's the key primary Zeitgeber, or cue, to pull the sleeve up and down. And we have a responsibility as architectural designers and planners, city planners, to realize that light and its opposite, darkness, are a human basic need. So by flooding the nighttime sky with the wrong color quality areas of light, we're actually doing a disservice to the humans that live under those nighttime lights. And during the day, if we do not fill our buildings with the right amount of light, whether from electric means or from the daylight streaming in through large fenestrations or skylights, we're not giving the human being that's occupying that space what he or she needs to survive.